Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So imatch elandelayo bafana bayodlala against South Korea. So le match ke le bafethu izodlala ngo-3 AM ngolesine. Abantu abaningi ke bakumele balale namhlanje kulesithathu. Kulesithathu nje in the early mornings of Thursday, 3 AM, this match will be played le Monterrey in Mexico. Lapho khona South Africa idlala khona against South Korea. It's the Battle of the South. So this is a very, very big game for South Africa nayo South Korea, because if two of these clubs, if a manage to get atolo 3 points, azokwazi a progress kwi next round of the World Cup lapho kuyi last 32. So kumele bawawine kumele nje kahle omabili ama club kumele awine namhlanje, but ke kuzomele kuwine one of these two teams. Yabo, if South Korea ithola iphuzu kuzoba into enhle for yona, because bazoba na 4 points masukuthi ke iMexico ibe nabani na kwenzeka ukuthi ke ishaye Czech Republic izoba nabani na izoba na 9 points masukuthi South Korea ibe na 4 points. Ebafana izoba na 2 points but remain as the third best club ekhona kwinina kulama group stages. Maybe if bafana if they manage to get 2 points, maybe they will be included as one of the best number 3s asas. But ke lana ngizoshaya ilineup prediction yami, ungayigxeke yami, but ke ungitshele yakho kuma comments ukuthi ke ithini ilineup prediction yakho lapho kuma comments, ungayigxeki nje eyami. Yabo, first and foremost, you know the drill, you know the number 1 goalkeeper for Bafana. Mina ngokwami I will start ubani na uRonwen Williams. He is the guy how it starts for the game le ibaleke kakhulu. So I see uRonwen Williams kumele enze sure ukuthi ke we manage to win this game with a clean sheet. If we manage to win this game, kumele senze sure ukuthi ke siphuma nayo a clean sheet kule game le, because if singayithola clean sheets you'll be betting ngempela. And the two center backs, I really like the way Ime Okon edlala ngakhona. Yabo, I was a very doubter. I was doubting Ime Okon going to this World Cup. Yabo, I was not a big fan of his, but ever since Hugo Bros gave him a chance to show himself as that number 1 defender Bafana as a pair with Tumbogazi Umchita, he has been proving yabo ukuthi Umchita uyi quality ngempela. Yabo, so I really like Ime Okon, and I trust him to play with Tumbogazi. Last game when we played against the Czech Republic abachita badlale kahle kakhulu. Yabo, ngosikhathi sidlala nje ne Czech Republic udlale kahle kakhulu. So I trust them at the back with Umbegezeli Mbogazi. These are my two center backs. Ukuthi ke kuma wing backs shinalazo ukuthi abafuna khola, you don't have to change a lot. Angimele shintshe kakhulu. Yabo, Aubrey Modiba, yes, Umchita uyaye, yabo aleke lapho nalapho. I've heard many people speaking about Aubrey Modiba, saying we must find another left back after this World Cup. Yes, it is true. We must make sure ukuthi ke sithola ama left back right. South Africa bafana ilungisa nje and prepare ama left back right ukuthi ke after uModiba mhlambe ke kwenzeka iminyaka imshiya ubani ozongena ezicathuleni zakhe, we need other left backs. Bakhona kodwa Pasadena nabo iminyaka yabashaya bayagugela kwibench le Sundowns. Mina ke ngala ka right ngimnandi ka right umdawu uyawazi umsebenzi wakhe, but ke mina ngokwabo Aubrey Modiba Umchita umnandi kakhulu, uyakwazi usinikeza something going forward. Offensively uyasinikeza lento esiyidingayo, and defensively uyakwazi ukuthi ke aphinda abuye, but into yakhe defensively uyayabe shaky defensively. Yabo, because if you saw the goal ebalkora iCzech Republic ngosikhathi idlala nebafana balangena kwi-side lakhe Umchita wayengekho, he was nowhere to be seen, and the two center backs they were dragged to cover that space ukuze ke ingashawa icross. Yayiseyishawa ke cross, eventually umdawu wayeyedwa to deal with that, and they managed to score that goal. So yes, I think the critics regarding Modiba, they may be true. Yabo, you may tell me in the comments, but this is my back 4. Masukuthi ke number 6 position. Number 6 position, it will be a very how would I put this? It will be very tricky to see Hugo Bros to line up kanjani. But if you've watched Orlando Pirates, most of their games this season, they've played without a number 6. So Orlando Pirates uma idlala without a number 6, a player like Utalente Mbatha usually plays that position ya number 6. Uyena Umchita odlala lapha deep a collect ibhola from Usipho Chain, so uyakwazi Umchita ucollect ibhola into vela ijwayele. So I would love to see uRonwen Williams with Utalente Mbatha be connector, be communicator kuleya position there, because remember phela uTebogo Mokoena, he's not part of this game. Yabo, so njengoba uTebogo Mokoena nje engekho, you must find a player ozokwazi ke ayidlale leya position. We tried to do that in the first game ngosikhathi sidlala against Mexico. you saw the reason. Akubanga mnandi yabo, akubanga mnandi ukuthi kazidlala against Mexico. So you need another player who is used to this. We've seen him do it vele like uBethu Premiership. So banina uTalente Mbatha, he's that player mina in my books umjida ongakwenza lokho. And uSithole, he is available. Maybe Hugo Bros might opt to introduce uSithole to play him as number 6 kule game. Mase kuthi ke abadlali bazodlala phambi kwakhe ubanina uMbatha ngingadlalisa uJayden Adams, the player umjida bafethu is very very underrated. Yes, sometimes unako ukucasha, but umjida is very underrated in that midfield. So mina ngam-introduce kule game le athi ukudlala yabo adlale nayo uMfukeng. So iyona midfield le engayidlalisa uMfukeng. I will start uMfukeng in this game and I will start him as a number 10. This thing of not starting uMfukeng in games is very very worrying. Yabo uyangiwarisha mina ngempela, because when we introduced uMfukeng in that last game, you saw ukuthi we needed that player oneleyo flair ozokwazi ukuthi ayenze team idlale kahle yabo. So mina I don't understand the thing of putting uMfukeng benchini. So start uMfukeng in this game, adlale nobani na, adlale nayo uTalente Mbatha, adlale nayo futhi ba uJayden Adams. If second half umjida engadlali kahle uMbatha laphana, maybe ke I will drop uMbatha ngi-introduce bani na, ngi-introduce uSithole as number 6. Noma uJayden Adams engadlali kahle, I will push uMbatha as number 8 and introduce uSithole as number 6. You can tell me in the comments wena ngokwakho isisu sakho singaba njani, but ke mina ngokwami isona isisu lesi engaqala ngaso against inina iSouth Korea. Mase siza ngama-wingers, the wingers bafesi, you know the deal. Even though last game I didn't see much of Oswin Police, I wanted to see Oswin Police more, but I didn't see much of Oswin last game because umjida, it seems like he was very very marked. He was heavily marked in that game. He didn't show his creativity in the situation ukuyibona kwiBafana Bafana, because siyamazi kwiBafana Bafana he's a different player. The only player that showed up in that game is Thapelo Maseko, and I see a lot of people not mentioning that Thapelo Maseko showed up. I mean, I told people about Thapelo that I told them this guy, he's supposed to go to World Cup, and he really showed up. So I trust Thapelo Maseko, he will deliver the similar thing sibone last game. So these are my wingers. Masasiya forward, this is my striker. I don't want anyone to tell me otherwise. Last game I put Makgopa as my striker, and in that game ngisazosho funa manje I still put Makgopa as my number 1 striker. Makgopa, guys, he wenza izinto zibe lula. He makes things easy as a striker. He's not that striker that can give you goals, but he's a striker that can we hard worker. Ngikhumbula iquote eyashiwo uBethu ngosikhathi join Everton wathi, I may not give you goals, but I can give you hard work. So this is my lineup. You can tell me your lineup in the comments.